The Canchanchara is a traditional Cuban cocktail originating from the region of Trinidad. It's known for its refreshing blend of rum, honey, and citrus. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces aged Cuban rum, traditionally made with aguardiente. Substitute with a quality aged rum. 1 ounce honey, preferably local honey for an authentic touch. 1 ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. 2 ounces water to dilute and blend the ingredients. Ice cubed or crushed, as needed to chill the drink. 1 slice lime for garnish. 1 sprig mint. Optional garnish for added aroma. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, muddler, jigger, old-fashioned glass, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Add honey and 2 ounces of water to the cocktail shaker. Stir well until the honey is fully dissolved. Add lime juice and aged Cuban rum to the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake well until chilled. Strain the mixture into an old-fashioned glass filled with ice. Garnish with a lime slice and a sprig of mint if desired. The Canchanchara is believed to have been concocted by Cuban guerrilla fighters during the fight for independence. It was meant to fortify the soldiers and keep them warm.